Fran joined the Forge with 3 CompTIA certifications, A+, Network Plus, and Security Plus. She was also working on her CISA Plus. On paper, solid foundation. But when she joined, she said something that I hear all the time, and that was she did not feel comfortable in her skills when it came to actually analyzing suspicious activity. But after completing the 90-day SOC Accelerator program, she eventually tried her hands on a Capture the Flag event that we host monthly. And she came out 6th out of 37 participants. In today's video, we'll go over what you can expect in the 90-day SOC Accelerator program inside the MyD for Forge, as I have been getting quite a bit of emails about this. So let's get right into it. The first month of the program is going to be dense on purpose. You are going through refreshers on core cybersecurity concepts, things like threat actors, indicators of compromise, TTPs, Active Directory, cloud fundamentals, and many more. You are also setting up your own home lab environment, so you're deploying virtual machines, installing Splunk, configuring tools like Remnux and Flare VM. This right here is important because the rest of the program is going to build on top of these labs. You are not just reading about these tools, you are actively configuring them yourself. Then you get into understanding what the SOC does, what the roles are, what tools are commonly used, and you start going through some of the Splunk walkthroughs where you start building dashboards, creating alerts, and even working through scenarios. All of this in the first 30 days. Month 1 is going to feel quite overwhelming, but that foundation is what's going to help you in month 2 and 3. In the next 30 days, we get into month 2, and this is where the shift happens. You'll start with frameworks like the Cyber Kill Chain, MITRE ATT&CK, and Pyramid of Pain. Then we get into OSINT, learning how to look up IPs and domain reputation, use threat intelligence tools, and many others. But the real turning point is what I call the art of investigation. This right here is the bulk of the program, and it is where most members say that things start to click. You'll learn how to investigate phishing emails, not just identify them, but actually analyze the headers, check attachments, look at indicators of compromise, and determine what happened. From there, you move into identity investigations. Essentially, you are learning what attacker activity looks like in logs. And I did want to share something from one of my students named Kevin. He was about 67% through the program, but he went into an interview and said that the topics covered in the art of investigations were exactly what they asked him. The MITRE ATT&CK, IR frameworks, the scenario-based questions, all of that he said was on point and that it made a huge difference. And now he is a SOC Analyst L2. Once you hit month 3, this is where you take everything that you learned and you start applying it to increasingly complex scenarios. You get into network investigations using tools like Wireshark, Zeek, and Suricata. Malware analysis, where you perform both static and dynamic analysis while you write your own YARA rules. As for the endpoint investigations, that covers the full MITRE ATT&CK chain, from initial access all the way through exfiltration and impact. Then you get into threat hunting, and we're talking about Sigma rules, hypothesis, and data-driven hunting across multiple domains. You also go through job readiness, where there is resume writing, portfolio creation, and interview preparation. And you finish it off with a final capstone, which is a full end-to-end investigation scenario where you put everything that you've learned together. Now, the program doesn't just end after 90 days. You still have access to the Forge, meaning you have access to the SOC Simulator, which is a live environment where real attacks are hitting our SOC clients. There are no guided walkthroughs. You are investigating real alerts that are generated from real threats using Microsoft Sentinel, Defender XDR, and Splunk. We also run monthly Capture the Flag events where you can compete with other members and apply what you just learned. And actually, this is where Fran's story comes full circle. After completing the program, she entered in our February Capture the Flag event and placed 6th out of 37 participants. Remember where she started? 3 certifications and did not feel confident analyzing suspicious activity. But after going through the 90-day SOC Accelerator program and continuing to practice, she is now competing and placing in the top 20%. And in her own words, she says she definitely feels a lot more confident now than she did before. Now, if you are where Fran was, you have certifications, you have been studying, but you don't feel confident actually doing the work, that gap is common and it is fixable. The 90-day SOC Accelerator program inside the Forge does walk you through everything that I just covered step by step. And you are also doing it alongside other aspiring analysts who are on the same journey. So if that is something that you want to explore, then I'll leave a link in the description down below. That is it for the video, and I hope that you found that informative. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button and subscribe if you want to. Remember to stay curious and do things differently.